Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about 3 different kinds of rocks, as if there were actually different kinds of rocks.
Hello world, I'm Christopher Rodriguez. I'm one of the creators of Animals in Time, and I'm here to give you a 24-part video series describing common scientific topics in ways everyone can understand. I'll be giving you the what, the how, and the why you should care about all these topics. Now, this 24-part series will correspond with Animals in Time Volume 1. However, you do not need to be using Animals in Time resources to benefit from these videos. So, let's get started.
Yes, believe it or not, there are different kinds of rocks. And I don't just mean size, shape, color, or if they have little smiley faces painted on them. There are actually 3 completely different types of rock. But first, what is a rock? Well, it's it's one of those things that you think you know, but it's actually really hard to explain to someone else. Technically, rock isn't just one substance. It's not like you're gonna look at the periodic table and find a rock element. Rocks are just things stuck together. Metals, minerals, and even dead stuff like plants and shells. That's why there's rock all over the earth. We don't have special rock mines or anything to get it out of the earth's crust. Rock is the earth's crust. Rocks form underground under intense heat and pressure. But does that mean I can smush together 2 really hot rocks and make a new rock? No. The one thing all rocks have in common is that they take really long to form. I'm not talking about go heat up a bowl of soup long. I'm talking about thousands of years. But then that's why you get from something like powder to something as hard as the rock. You know what they say? Time is the best glue. They do say that, right? Now, this is all great, but am I ever gonna talk about the actual 3 kinds of rock? Yes, I am. Wait, am I? The 3 kinds of rock are sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, and igneous rock. Whoa! What just happened? Does that happen every time I say igneous rock? Okay, I guess I'd better make sure not to say igneous rock again. The differences in sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, and the other kind are in how all of them form. Sedimentary rock is named after sediment, which is that little tiny layer of dirt and mud that you find at the bottom of a lake. Over time, this sediment builds up with other layers of dirt, rocks, old plants, shells, and even bones. Take this sediment, add heat, cold, rain, wind, pressure, and thousands of years, and you get a sedimentary rock. Easy as that. Even though you can't really just crush a sedimentary rock together, that's often what they look like. Just a big bundle of stuff. Next are the metamorphic rocks. Instead of just a bunch of things sticking and piling together like sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rock is formed underground by different amounts of heat and pressure. Some metamorphic rock has lines or layers that represent when the temperature was hotter or colder, or the pressure was greater or less. So, looking at a metamorphic rock is kind of like looking back in time. Oh my goodness, I forgot to check the oven! Just in time. Want to see what I made? That's right, it's time for igneous rock. These might be the coolest rocks of all. Wait, actually no, they're not cool. You get it. Igneous rock is made of lava that cools into stone. That's right, lava is actually liquid rock. Obsidian is one kind of igneous rock. It's not rough or bumpy like other kinds of rocks. It's black, smooth, and can even be sharpened like glass. Another type of igneous rock is something called pumice stone. Sometimes lava has lots of air bubbles while it's hardening, leaving lots of holes like a sponge. Because of this, pumice stones can actually float because they're so light. And this one is even on a scrubber for your skin. Wait a minute, I'm still talking about igneous rocks. You almost lost me there. So, the three types of rock are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rock from volcanoes. You'll be learning about volcanoes in week 16. Next week, however, I'll be talking about what happens when you stack rocks on top of each other. That's right, mountains. Wait a minute! Don't you make a move! If you grab me or make any moves, I'm gonna flip this switch. I'm gonna do it! Ah!
What are three types of rock? Sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. What